So let's just imagine that it's true. We've made the same mistake that they made several hundred years ago when they looked up at the sky and saw the stars moving around and said, well, we're not moving, so they must be moving around us, we're in the middle. So Edwin Hubble looks out through the Wilson telescope, sees redshifts, and concludes, well, they must all be moving away from us, and everything's moving away from everything else. It's the expanding universe, it's the Big Bang. Did he not want to imagine for a moment that the other explanation, that everything is actually contracting, could be true? Surely in the last 80 years scientists have looked at this, and I'm sure they have, but there's one problem with it that they absolutely hate. If every single atom in the universe that was created at the same time, all those billions of years ago, not in a Big Bang, but in an even bigger bang, the one from the contracting matter universe, if they've been contracting at the same rate, then you can never measure this. Because every experiment that you try and construct, every device, is also contracting itself. Therefore, the contraction can never be directly measured. And scientists are all about measuring, and they hate something not to be definable and measurable. But what if it's true? And if you deduce from all the scientific evidence we have today, it actually fits the contracting matter theory better, which I will prove to you, as opposed to Big Bang, because thermodynamics proved a while ago already that the Big Bang could never have happened. But then scientists tried to resurrect the theory with their rapid expansion theory, which I'll also go into. So they're just ignoring the contracting matter theory because it can't be measured. That is a scientific and an ethical problem for all of us, because if it's a basic feature of matter that everything is contracting, then you have to draw conclusions from this in everything in relation to the Large Hadron Collider, to basic particle theory. No wonder we haven't been able to come up with a grand theory of everything, because you can't if your basic assumption is incorrect. And it is if you're believing in a Big Bang theory and not in a contracting matter theory. Thanks. I'll try and explain some more in the next ones.